You know, we keep hearing so much about these two vaccines, when we could see them and how effective they're going to be.
Yeah, today Johns Hopkins experts broke it down for us, and WMAR2 News' Abby Isaacs tells us what we can expect.
Johns Hopkins experts say even with the highly effective vaccines ready for emergency use authorization, there are still plenty of hurdles to get over, including distribution and getting people to accept the vaccines. We've seen unprecedented strides towards developing COVID-19 vaccines quickly and that are more effective than anticipated.
During a pandemic, because there are so many infections and so many cases, in the phase 3 trials, we're rather quickly able to tell whether these vaccines actually protect against disease or not.
Now, focus is turning towards making sure they can be distributed, since they require storage in such cold temperatures.
Pfizer itself has created these kind of cold boxes, if you will, that can store about 1,000 to 5,000 vaccine vials. That requires dry ice.
Another important facet is proper education about the two-dose vaccinations.
The important thing to remember here is that vaccines do not save lives, vaccination saves lives.
Experts say a widespread campaign about the trial data and potential side effects is important.
Clinical trial participants from the Pfizer vaccine trial indicated that the vaccine can cause people to feel unwell for a few days. We need to be able to communicate that this is normal and remind people that the vaccine has undergone rigorous safety testing.
The FDA advisory group is meeting in a week to assess the data from the trials, and experts expect them to give authorization for distribution shortly after. In the first round, Maryland will get 155,000 doses. Governor Larry Hogan said on Good Morning America that's not even enough to cover our frontline healthcare workers.
We have about 300,000 of those. So our plan, which we submitted to the CDC, prioritizes the most vulnerable. So our frontline healthcare workers, our nursing homes, and then first responders. And as they come in, we just start working our way down that pyramid of a list.
Hogan is also concerned that not everyone feels the vaccine is safe.
Some of the polling showed that somewhere over 50% of the people don't feel like they want to get a vaccine. We can't get this under control unless we get somewhere around 70% or more of the people to be vaccinated.
The governor added the numbers we're seeing are going to get worse before they get better.
The good news is the cavalry is on the way. There is a light at the end of the tunnel.
The Johns Hopkins experts say these vaccines are by no means the end-all be-all. There are many others coming down the pipeline, and they're hopeful that by the end of next year, there'll be one available that's a single dose. For WMAR2 News, I'm Abby Isaacs.